Wisdom Castle Educational Publishing Company strives to produce. The Ultimate Early Literacy Series. Levels A, B, and C. Instructions and practices focus on language development and readiness. Additional, hands-on, and online. To make sure all students have a strong foundation for reading. Following the WIDA ELL standards. The Ultimate Letters and Sounds Level A contains 2 volumes of beginning sound vocabulary enrichment. The Ultimate Letters and Sounds Level A helps students learn letter knowledge and develop 5 fundamental pre-reading skills. Print awareness, phonological awareness, letter knowledge, fun activities and practice pages. Hands-on crafts. Songs integration, in which the repetition of seeing and listening to the letter provides the practice needed. Colorful activity pages. Instructions and practices focus on language development and readiness.